Today I'm diving into Canva's Magic Studio. We're talking about removing backgrounds in seconds, generating brand new scenes, erasing unwanted stuff, moving objects around, expanding photos, and even stealing text from images. All inside Canva. Stick till the end. I've got a pro tip to make your designs look 10 times better instantly. And the best part? You don't need any design skills to use them. Let's go! Let's start with the most popular, background remover. It's literally one click, and boom, your background is gone. Now for some magic painting, background generator. Instead of searching for stock photos, just tell Canva what you want. Subject looks pasted or fake. Just switch to maximum relight. It instantly blends lighting and shadows so your image feels 100% realistic. Got something or someone you want out of your picture? Magic Eraser has your back. Use smaller brush sizes for precision, especially for complex backgrounds. Great for removing X's, photo bombers, or that one flip-flop in the corner, and boom! Ever wish you could move an object or a person without ruining the rest of your picture? Magic Grab makes it happen. Now, you can move from left to right side of a photo. This works best with clean, simple backgrounds. Otherwise, you might get funky AI glitches. Finally, you can put yourself in front of the Eiffel Tower without a plane ticket. Grab Text in Canva lets you instantly copy and edit text from any image, like posters, signs, or screenshots, without retyping it. Super handy for redesigns or quick edits. Grab Text is like a font detective. It reads text from images so you can copy or edit it. No more typing that 4-paragraph menu by hand. Canva's got your back. Want to add something new to your picture or replace something? Magic Edit is your best friend. Highlight the exact spot and give Canva a clear description. Otherwise, you'll get interesting surprises. This is how I made my dog look like he's wearing sunglasses. No regrets. Ever have a photo that's just too small? Magic Expand adds more picture around it, and it looks natural. Use this before making social media banners so you don't stretch your images. Basically, it's photo growth serum. Use magic tools together. For example, remove the background, generate a new one, and then expand it for a perfect fit. So there you go! Canva Magic Studio in a nutshell. If this video helped, smash that like button, share it with a friend who's still stuck in PowerPoint 2007, and hit subscribe for more AI design hacks.